Hey guys, Terry here. Hey, I wanted to report in on how my embroidery project is coming along here. So I have done 7 of them. This is the Missouri Star Quilt Company's Ingrid's Wildflowers quilt pattern. So you embroider the squares and then you put together these quilt squares into a completed lap size quilt. And I bought the 10-inch squares of the jeans material, and then I have started using my kit that came with everything that you need. So it's got the embroidery hoop, the stickers that go on. These stick onto your material and show you where to do the stitching. And then it comes with the instructions. The instructions have been really good because they have a wonderful picture of how to do the stitch. So it's got each of the stitches that they're teaching you on here, and there's probably about 10 different stitches that they teach you. And then each flower, it shows you the color and tells you what stitch to use. And it's been very fun to do. I mean, I've been doing about 1 a day. And it came with the little scissors and the tool that helps you thread into the needle. So that piece there. And then there's 2 needles. I think it would be handy to have a couple more needles than 2. But I've been working that out. And then it's got the magnetic, that's called a needle minder. So it just keeps track of your needles so you don't lose them. And it came with all of the different colors of embroidery thread. So, and this nice tin to keep it all in. So what I wanted to do today was show you the ones that I've completed, and then also the idea is that you get this in water and this dissolves away. So I want to try that out. So let's give that a try here. I have a little bucket of water here. So here's the ones I've made so far. So this was number 1. And there's number 2. And I was really hesitant to do it. I didn't know if I could do the embroidery, but it's been working out super. So there's number 3. I mean, don't look too closely, but I think that when the pattern is gone, no one will know that I didn't get everything exact inside those flowers. Look at that red one. Isn't that beautiful? And number 5 has a lot of colors on it. And number 6. And number 7 there. So isn't that fun? So I've started number 8. So here's how that one's coming along. And yeah, I mean, I'm basically, you poke your needle up from behind and then just follow the pattern there. And there's different ways that you go in and out, and the instructions show you that really well. So love that. So let's take one of these. Let's do this colorful one here. So I'm going to put it down in the water. Get this all wet. So here goes nothing. Okay, so it's pulling off. It's kind of turning mushy. Now I did cold water. I don't know if you're supposed to do it with warm water. I'm trying to rub it gently because I've got my threads on there. But yeah, it just kind of dissolved. I have no idea what they make that out of, but it completely dissolved. That is something. They said to let them dry on a flat surface. Yeah. Isn't that something? It all dissolved. There's a shine there that makes it look like it's still on there, but it is completely dissolved. So I'll have to get a towel and let these lay out flat to dry, but I can't believe how that just dissolved. It kind of was like mushy, and I thought I was going to have to pull it away, but it just completely dissolved. So, so that's cool. So I'm going to let these dissolve and dry, and then I will come back and show you what they look like when they've dried. I imagine you'll have to press them because this will probably get wrinkly. Yeah. Let me try another one. Yeah, it just gets really slippery. I don't have a lot of water in here. It's just by the time it gets good and wet, it is dissolving into nothing. I thought it was going to be a little tougher to get it off of it, but that just came right off. Can you see how it's kind of goopy like a scale, but then you leave it in there longer and it just completely dissolves. That is wild. Look how good that looks. I wasn't sure if I was going to use my own fabric or get this jeans, and I'm really glad that I did it on the dark blue because these colors really pop on that. So there's 20 of them, and I'm on my 8th one. So they're coming along, but like I said, I'll come back after these dry and show you what they all look like. And I'll have links below to the Missouri Star Quilt Company in case you want to join along with this project. And yeah, I'll be back after they dry. Okay, I let these dry overnight, and they were a little crinkly. I just let them dry on the kitchen counter, or the bathroom counter, overnight, and they dried really, really quickly. I didn't wring them out or anything. I was careful to just bring them up out of the water, let them drip dry, and then hung them over something to dry. And like I said, they were crispy, crunchy, but then once I ironed them, they've become a little bit softer. So they have turned out so cute. This quilt's going to be gorgeous. So I can't wait. Look at that. The colors do really pop on this dark denim. So love that. They turned out so good. Aren't they pretty? They are so fun. They're pretty flat. I used parchment paper when I was ironing just to make sure I wasn't damaging any of the threads. Didn't want to burn anything. But yeah, I've got all of those done. It turned out so good. So I'm on the 8th one, and it's just been something fun to do in front of the TV or if I'm waiting somewhere. And they're just turning out so cute, so love it. And so I'll have links to the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and they are still selling this kit. So I hope you either embroider something or scrapbook or make some cards in your craft room and do something fun, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.